Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome to this video. So as you guys are looking at this is the 2014 Volkswagen Jetta. You guys are looking at the high pressure fuel pump. Doing this video on diagnosis, symptoms, and replacement of the fuel pump. If you guys are checking this out, the high pressure fuel pump is pretty easy to get to. A couple bolts here and there taken off the lines, and you can replace the pump itself. So if you guys have an issue with the pump itself, you guys could get decreased mileage. Malfunctioning fuel pump can cause an imbalanced fuel mixture, which can lead to increased fuel consumption, decreased mileage. Power loss. If you notice a loss of power when your engine is under stress, such as when driving uphill or towing something heavy, it could be a sign of failing fuel pump. Sputtering. If your engine sputters and threatens to start, it could be because the fuel pump can't produce a constant stream of gas at higher speeds. A no start, which is the most obvious thing. In these situations. A failed fuel pump can prevent your car from starting. Surging. If your vehicle suddenly increases in speed while you're trying to maintain a constant speed, could be a sign of a failing fuel pump. That really happens, but if it does happen, you definitely want to just fix that issue, because you want to have your foot on the brake. And it could be a pretty scary situation if accident occurs, either surging or a stalling issue. Difficulty starting. A failing fuel can disrupt the flow of fuel to the engine, making it difficult to start. Engine misfires. Obviously, if there's not a balanced ratio of air and fuel, you can have a misfire. Rough idle. Malfunctioning fuel pump can cause a rough idle. All right, so let's talk about how you guys can fix this issue, right? Obviously, those are the symptoms, but those are the symptoms that could be the symptoms of a bunch of other things, like a fuel filter, other issues with maybe the ECM, PCM creating no crank, no starts. The surging issue, it rarely happens, but if it does, you guys could probably think that it's the fuel pump that's the issue. Now, the fuel pump is not it's not difficult to change out. It's not difficult to get to. It's fairly inexpensive, relatively speaking. You guys have this issue. You probably will not have a specific code for the fuel pump. Some vehicles do, a lot of vehicles don't. Might have other symptoms, other codes for other things that could be caused by the fuel pump. But what you guys want to do in these situations is you guys probably want to just get the specific pressure, specific pressure, standard pressure, gas pressure, fuel pressure for your vehicle. And you guys could get a pressure meter and figure out whether it's correct pressure. Most of the time, you won't get a situation where the fuel pump malfunctions on you. You get a situation most of the time where the fuel pump will just stop working. Those other things, as far as rough idling, hard to start, starting and then dies on you. Most of the time you have this issue, you're gonna get like a crank no start issue. The high pressure fuel pump will just go dead on you, or just stalling, and then you just have a crank no start issue. But if you guys have any of those symptoms, just know that this isn't the most difficult thing to get to. It's pretty much right there. If you guys have even a little bit of mechanical expertise, you guys could actually change it out yourself. And the pump itself might be a little bit more expensive at AutoZone, Advanced Auto, but if you guys ordered this online at Amazon or eBay, it might be a little cheaper than that. In any case, if you guys have any questions, definitely leave a question in the comments section. Let us know what you guys did to fix your issue. If you guys have any questions, I already said that. Leave a question. Please subscribe. Please give a thumbs up. All that good stuff. Appreciate your time, guys. Take care.